Struggling to get new customers for your carpet cleaning business? You're not alone. Most carpet cleaning business owners are great at cleaning, but don't always know how to consistently attract new leads. What if you could wake up every week with a steady stream of new clients ready to book your service? In this video, I'm sharing real-world strategies to help you get more high-quality leads, grow your customer base, and stop relying on luck or word of mouth. You'll learn simple step-by-step methods that you can start using today, many of which are free or low cost. Stick with me and let's unlock the full potential of your business. Step 1. Know your ideal customer. Before we talk about ads or websites, start with one question. Who is your ideal customer? Are they busy parents, real estate agents, landlords, office managers? When you know exactly who you're talking to, you can create messages that connect. Instead of saying, "We clean carpets," say, "We help busy families keep their carpets fresh and safe." See the difference? This one shift in thinking will make all your marketing efforts work better and feel more personal. Step 2. Create or optimize your Google Business Profile. One of the most powerful tools for local marketing for carpet cleaners is Google Business Profile. It helps people in your area find you fast when they search things like carpet cleaner near me. Here's how to make it work for you. Use your real business name, phone number, and address. Upload clear before and after photos of your work. Add keywords like carpet cleaning in your city in your description. Ask every happy customer for a review. This boosts your trust score. This is free visibility on Google Search and Maps, and it's often the first place a new customer will find you. Step 3. Build a simple website with a lead form. Your website doesn't need to be fancy, but it does need to convert. Here's a quick checklist. A strong headline like "Trusted Carpet Cleaning in Your City", a brief description of your services, real testimonials or reviews, a call to action like "Get your free estimate", a mobile-friendly design. Make sure there's a form where people can leave their name, number, and message, or better yet, book a slot. This is where you generate carpet cleaning leads automatically, even when you're out on a job. Step 4. Post in local Facebook groups. Local Facebook groups are free lead magnets, but only if used the right way. Don't just drop your flyer and leave instead. Share helpful tips like how to remove pet stains. Post before and after pics of recent jobs. Reply to people asking for cleaner recommendations. When you give value, people remember you. And when they need carpet cleaning, you're the first name that comes to mind. Step 5. Use low-budget Facebook ads. Even if you've never run an ad before, you can start with $5 to $10 a day and see results. Here's what works. Use a real photo or 10-second video of your work. Write a short caption like "2 rooms cleaned for XX, call now." Target local zip codes. Include a "Learn More" or "Call Now" button that leads to your form. Track results daily. Facebook gives great data so you can see what's working and adjust quickly. Step 6. Offer referral rewards. Turn your happy clients into promoters. Create a simple referral program like "Refer a friend and get 20% off your next cleaning." Send this offer by text or email after a job is done. You can also add it to your invoice or thank you message. It costs nothing upfront and builds long-term loyalty. Step 7. List on local directories. Online directories help you get found when people search carpet cleaning near me. Make sure your business is listed on Yelp, Angie, formerly Angie's List, Thumbtack, Nextdoor, Home Advisor. Each of these gives you a small SEO boost and opens up new channels where people are already looking for your service. Use consistent name, address, and phone number across all listings. This helps you rank better on Google too. Step 8. Build a lead list with SMS or email. After you finish a job, ask the client if they'd like to get seasonal deals or reminders. Use their info to build a basic list in a tool like MailChimp or Google Sheets. Once a month, send out cleaning tips, limited time offers, reminders before holidays or spring cleaning. This keeps your business top of mind, so when they're ready for a clean, they already know who to call. Step 9. Use a lead magnet. People love free value, especially if it solves a problem. Create a simple downloadable guide. 5 carpet stain hacks every homeowner should know. Offer it on your website in exchange for an email. Now you're building trust and collecting leads passively. You're showing that you care more about helping than just selling. Step 10. Track, improve, repeat. Every successful business tracks what works and ditches what doesn't. Use Google Analytics for your website. Facebook Ads Manager for ads. A simple Excel sheet to track leads by source. Ask every new customer, "How did you hear about us?" This will show you which platforms bring the best leads, so you can focus your time and money in the right place. If this video gave you even one useful tip, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're serious about growing your service business, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more helpful videos like this. More leads, more bookings, more freedom, that's what we're here for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.